Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay, and today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2017 Toyota CHR. Now of course you get full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You then also get front parking sensors. You get these brilliant satin black alloy wheels, which of course I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get on these alloys. Coming around to the rear, we've also got your reversing camera just up at the top here, along with your rear parking sensors. Inside of the tailgate we have plenty of room as well, including 60/40 split folding rear seats. Then coming back out and around again, showing you the rear alloy just here. Into the back of the car we do have full cloth black interior. You do also get blue accents as well. You've got ISOFIX mounting point to the bottom, full electric windows all round, keyless entry and start. And then coming inside we also have your electric handbrake in the middle. You get your traction off, auto hold, and then your EV mode just here at the bottom. Then you also have your automatic gearbox as well. We've also got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats, and then of course we have your satellite navigation. We've then also got your various audio sources as well, with AM, FM, DAB, auxiliary, Bluetooth. Over to the steering wheel now, you have your media settings to the top left, just below Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. Then over to the right you have your cruise control settings just underneath, and then your onboard computer settings over on the right hand side. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers, and as you can see this car has done 50,265 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Toyota CHR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.